What's up, guys? Oh, sorry. Today we're going to be looking at multiplying a fraction times a whole number, which is my favorite. It's kind of fun. Okay. But today we're going to multiply a fraction times a whole number and strategy number 3. So yesterday we did a picture. You guys rock that. You did repeated addition to represent multiplying, which you guys rock that. Today we're going to use a number line. Okay, so my sample problem is Joanna is training for a triathlon. You guys know what a triathlon is? I bet you guys do. A triathlon includes 3 things. Tri means 3. You guys know what the 3 things are? Running, cycling. Tyler, do you know what the third one is?
Swimming.
Swimming. Yeah, he knows what it is. Okay. He's my cameraman on point today. Thank you, Tyler. Joanna is running a triathlon. She rides her bike 5 days. For 5 days. Each day, she rides 3/4 of a mile. What is the total distance Joanna is riding her bike? All right, so let's check this out. Each day, she's riding her bike 3/4 of a mile. And she's riding it 3/4 of a mile for 5 days. So it's really 3/4 of 5. Now, I want to take a break for 1 second. Anytime we multiply a fraction times a whole number, our answer is always going to be smaller than the whole number. For example, if I said I had $10 and I gave you 1/2 of that, well, we know 1/2 of 10 is 5. So the answer would be 5. So anytime we're multiplying a fraction times a whole number, I want you guys to think to yourself, my answer has to be smaller than whatever whole number I'm multiplying it. So I know that my answer to 3/4 of 5 or 3/4 times 5, I know that's going to be less than 5. Okay, so to use a number line, I know I'm trying to represent 3/4 5 times. I'm going to use a whole number line, but I have to be careful. Our number line starts at 0, but I don't want it to go past 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it up into fourths. So let me see here. I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. This is going to be 4/4 or 1 whole. So I have 1/4, 2/4, 2/4, 3/4, or 1 whole, which I know is 4/4. And then I have 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, and I have 8/4, which is also 2 whole. And another one, which is going to be 9/4, 10/4, 11/4. And then I have another one, 12/4, which is going to be 3 whole, which is going to be 12/4. And I'll do a couple more. I have after 12/4, you see 12 divided by 4 is 3. After 12/4, I have 13/4, 14/4, and then 15/4. And I'm going to go to the next one, 16/4. 16/4 would be 16 divided by 4. Well, yeah, that's the whole number 4. Okay. Pretty cool. My neighbor just drove by, and he's actually our word of the day. Our word or sign of the day is Corvette. Do you guys know those old Corvettes where the lights open up like mechanically? So the sign for Corvette is Corvette. Okay, so when you guys put that word on there, it's actually 2 T's. It's Corvette. All right, so it's Corvette. Cool. All right, now let's use our number line to represent 3/4 5 times. So I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to go to 3/4. I'm going to go past 1/4 and 2/4. There's 3/4. Now think about that repeated addition. I'm going to go another 3/4. So I'm basically counting my 3's 5 times. So here's 3/4. What's 3/4 again? That's going to take us to 6/4. Another 3/4 would be 1, 2, 3. Will take us to 9/4. Another 3/4 will take us to 1, 2, 3. Will take us to 12/4 or 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. But I want to represent that one more time. So I'm going to go another 3/4. And I land on 15/4. Okay, so I have 15/4 is my answer, but we know we have to convert. That's an improper fraction. We can't give the answer like that. So if I think about this, how many 4's go into 15? Well, that's my whole number. Let me see here. My answer is actually on my number line also. I know I'm between 3 and 4. So 4 can go into 15 no more than 3 times, because I know 4 times 3 is 12. So now I'm at 3, and then I just look at my fraction. Here's 3 and 1/4, 3 and 2/4, 3 and 3/4. So my answer to 3/4 times 5 is 3 and 3/4. And the question says, what is the total distance Joanna is on her bike? So it's using, what is my label here? Miles. So it's 3 and 3/4 miles. And that is my answer. All right, guys, sign of the day is Corvette, one of my favorite cars. I love them. Good luck.